Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Classic front, redesigned back. It seems this time it's not even a fake. The upcoming best camera smartphone 2026, the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8, with a new design, high-quality images have appeared. According to the latest available news data, apparently, the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 smartphone will indeed receive a redesign and major upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new device will continue to feature the elongated form factor typical of Sony Xperia smartphones. The recognizable bezels above and below the screen will also remain. However, the back will be radically changed. The oval module with 3 photo sensors will be replaced by a square photo unit, slightly lowered from the top edge, which will distinguish the device from its competitors. New renders of the upcoming Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 flagship, which could be unveiled as early as May, have surfaced online. They show a design that has already been confirmed by FCC filings. The company appears to have decided to break away from its usual design. The main innovation is a completely redesigned camera module. The recognizable vertical stripe has been replaced by a square module, with a triple camera and flash. The sides of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 will be flat. 3 small cutouts are visible on the camera module. Apparently these are microphones. A flash is visible in the center between the lenses, and a little higher up is another sensor. The new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is already undergoing the necessary certifications, which is why it has become known that the device will support Wi-Fi 7, and will receive a headphone jack port, which will be useful for owners of wired headphones. The specs are expected to include a triple camera with a 48-megapixel resolution across all sensors, including the telephoto lens. However, according to leaks, Sony will retain features rare in flagships, such as a microSD slot and a headphone jack. As a reminder, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII was unveiled on May 13, 2025. It is expected that the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 smartphone presentation is expected before the beginning of summer. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.